Lost your Roku TV remote for the 100th time? This official replacement from Roku pairs instantly and launches Netflix or Disney Plus with one button, no hunting required. Today, we're breaking down why it's the no-fuss fix for your TCL or Hisense Roku TV. The official Roku TV remote is a straightforward replacement designed exclusively for Roku TVs like those from TCL, Hisense, Sharp, ON, and Philips. It skips complicated setups and mirrors your original remote's layout perfectly. Manufacturer specs confirm it's built for TVs that run Roku OS right from boot up, not for sticks or players. First up, those preset shortcut buttons for Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and Apple TV Plus, one press and you're streaming. Then there's the dedicated voice search button with a built-in mic that sends commands straight to Roku's servers for fast results. Hybrid connectivity shines too, Wi-Fi Direct for smooth navigation up to 25 feet without line of sight, paired with IR for power, volume, and mute, but yeah, pointed at the TV for those. Compacted about 6 inches long and super lightweight, it runs on 2 AAA batteries with easy access. Setup is dead simple, just press pair and it's done, no apps or networks needed. Those app shortcuts save tons of menu digging, perfect for jumping into your favorites. Reviewers love how the Wi-Fi Direct lets you scroll and browse from across the room, making couch surfing effortless. And the familiar button layout feels right at home, no learning curve. IR controls for volume and power mean you have to aim directly at the TV sensor, obstructions like coffee tables kill it. Voice search works best in quiet spots, background noise from the kitchen can trip it up. It's strictly for Roku TVs only, so no go for Roku Players or sticks. Range drops off beyond 20 feet for IR, so big rooms might frustrate. Grab this if you're a Roku TV owner tired of remote hide-and-seek and want a plug-and-play replacement. It's ideal for families with TCL or Hisense setups in standard living rooms. Skip it if you have a Roku player or need fully hands-free voice control. Based on the specs, this remote nails the basics for everyday Roku TV use, reliable, quick, and hassle-free. I'd rate it a solid 8 out of 10 for compatible owners. If it fits your TV, it's the smart replacement that just works. Link to the full analysis and where to get it in the description. Hit that and replace your lost remote today. Smash like if this saved your next binge, and subscribe for more gadget breakdowns. See you in the next one.